Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you fix Snapchat multi-snap option not showing. So in case that you can't see this option in your Snapchat, and then I'm going to show you a method or some methods in how to fix this one. So what you're going to do here, if you can't see this multi-snap, you just have to simply exit first your Snapchat application here. And then this time you have to locate your phone settings. So you have to click this gear icon, and if you're using Android, you have to scroll down and then look for app management. Under app management, you have to look for app list. Here you can search for Snapchat, or you can simply scroll down and look for Snapchat application. But if you want to make it easier, then you have to type Snapchat right here. So tap Snapchat, and then after that, you have to click the storage usage right here. Tap this one, and then you have to tap this clear cache. And if you see clear data, then you can tap clear data. After that, go to permissions, and then you need to allow all the features right here. Okay, so if you see something under denied, you have to click this one and then tap allow. And that's it. Now, the very last thing to do is you have to go to Google Play Store if you're using Android, and then look for Snapchat, search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you're using the latest or the updated version of Snapchat right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and then go back or launch your Snapchat application and see if this method work. And after that, after you have done this troubleshooting or fixing, then you should see that multi-snap option on your Snapchat. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest other topics, please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.